Now the whole earth had one language and one common speech. As people moved eastward, they found a plain in Shinar and settled there. "Come, let us make bricks," they said to one another. They used brick instead of stone and tar for mortar. "Come, let us build ourselves a city with a tower that reaches to the heavens, so that we may make a name for ourselves." And the tower began to rise. Nothing they planned would be impossible for them. Higher and higher, it pierced the sky. But the Lord came down to see the city and the tower. "If as one people speaking the same language they have begun this, come, let us go down and confuse their language." Suddenly, words no longer made sense. Instructions turned into noise. Groups separated, each understanding only their own speech. The building ceased. The Lord scattered them over the face of the whole earth. That is why it was called Babel, because there the Lord confused the language of the whole world. What began in pride ended in scattering. Humanity tried to reach heaven by its own strength, but heaven belongs to God.